Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add blur in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to use it, I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose any photo that you want to add blur to. Now, in the bottom, you'll see different options. Simply click on Edit and you'll see options like auto, light, color, blur, effects, details and optics. Simply click on blur effect and you'll be able to use it. Now since I don't have the premium version, I am unable to use it, but if you have a premium version Lightroom, you can use lens blur, generative remove, masking and so on. And by using this lens blur effect, you can add blur to your images. And just like that, you can add blur in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.